When it comes to construction projects in Noida, geotechnical investigation services play a crucial role in ensuring the stability and safety of the structures. Geotechnical investigation involves the study of soil and rock properties, as well as the assessment of potential risks and hazards that may affect the project. These services are essential for determining the suitability of the site for construction and designing the foundations accordingly. In Noida, where the soil conditions can vary significantly, geotechnical investigation services are particularly important to ensure that the structures can withstand the local ground conditions and any potential seismic activity. Geotechnical investigation services in Noida typically include several key components. Firstly, a site visit is conducted to gather information about the existing conditions and to identify any potential challenges. This is followed by the collection of soil and rock samples from various depths using drilling or excavation techniques. These samples are then tested in a laboratory to determine their physical and mechanical properties, such as density, moisture content, permeability, and shear strength. The results of these tests are used to assess the stability of the soil and rock formations and to design appropriate foundations and retaining structures. In addition to soil and rock testing, geotechnical investigation services in Noida also involve assessing the potential risks and hazards that may affect the construction project. This includes evaluating the presence of underground water, assessing slope stability, and identifying any potential geotechnical hazards such as landslides or ground settlement. By conducting a thorough geotechnical investigation, engineers can gain valuable insights into these factors and develop appropriate mitigation measures to ensure the safety and longevity of the structures. Geotechnical investigation services are essential for assuring the stability and safety of the structures during construction projects in Noida. In a geotechnical examination, the qualities of the soil and rocks are studied, and potential risks and hazards to the project are analyzed. These services are crucial for evaluating the construction site's appropriateness and planning the foundations appropriately. Geotechnical investigation services are particularly crucial in Noida, where the soil conditions might vary greatly, to guarantee that the structures can withstand the regional ground conditions and any potential seismic activity. Numerous essential elements are normally included in geotechnical investigation services in Noida. To learn more about the current situation and to spot any possible difficulties, a site inspection is first done. After that, soil and rock samples are obtained using drilling or excavation methods at various depths. The physical and mechanical characteristics of these samples, such as density, moisture content, permeability, and shear strength, are then evaluated in a lab. In order to construct suitable foundations and retaining structures, the findings of these tests are utilized to evaluate the stability of the soil and rock formations. Geotechnical investigation services in Noida also include evaluating potential dangers and hazards that could impact the construction project in addition to examining the soil